Hello and welcome to the Great Wall. This is Challenge 6 and we are on Step D, the final step and perhaps the most exciting step of the entire process. And your challenge, your school scientists have discovered more animals are coming. There are 96 different types of animals attacking your school. You need a section for each animal. How many blocks are needed to build the 96th, the last section of your wall? Hey, this is an on your own problem, so you should have solved the entire problem here on your own, and now you're watching this video just to make sure you did everything correctly. Without further ado, let us get on to solving this, and this is actually pretty simple. We're going to just take this formula here, rewrite it down here, and then plug in 96 each time we have an S. So let's go ahead and plug in our formula. And right here it is, my friends, the quantity of S plus 3 times the quantity of S plus 2 plus 3. And now we're going to plug in 96 for each S. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So we're going to go 96 plus 3, and that goes in parentheses. And we're multiplying that times 96 plus 2 in parentheses. And then we'll simply add 3 to that at the end. And continuing on, if we take 96 and we add 3 to it, we're going to get 99. And then we're going to multiply that by 96 plus 2, which will give us 98. So drop the 98 right there. And then we'll simply add the 3 to that. So what I'm going to do is take this and do the multiplication right over here. And right here it is. 98 times 99 is going to give you 9,702. And if you did the math and you made a mistake, you can just pause the video and copy this and get your math correct. So let's go ahead and plug in that number right here. So our next step would be to write 9,702, and then we'll drop that 3 down there. So now all I have to do is add 3 to this, and my grand total is 9,705, and that is blocks needed to build the 96th figure. So, bam, that is lovely, my friends. And hey, take a look at all the work we did here to solve this problem. You did a great job, my friends. And the ultimate answer for the 96th section of this wall, the very last section of that wall, you're going to need 9,705 blocks to build it. And bam, that is lovely. Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friend. Pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.